Oh, what do we have here?
Yeah.
Are you ready? All right, he's about to go. Is he good? He's going.
Hey, they said I got the magic Ronald Weezy, ayy. Mama told me I'm a G, that's just too easy, ayy. I look up, I got no ceiling, feel like Wheezy, ayy. I can't catch a break, I call on Jesus, ayy. Ayy, stop that crying, boy, get back to speaking, ayy. Ayy, stop that Hollywood, get back to meetings, yeah, stop that hiding, just get back to seeking, ayy. Ayy, lights and cameras, I forgot the reason, I forgot the reason, ayy.
Oh, yeah, baby. Yo, let's go. Oh. There's like light. It just looks like you're Jesus coming out of the trailhead. Trail Jesus. Doing God's work.
This ain't nothing without it. Don't let them keep you down. What if I don't need it? There's something about
Oh, what do we have here?
it just freaks me out. I just want another minute with it. Fuck a little, what's the use?
That's Sander, boys. We drop it. I actually somehow came out of that really well. That time I went too slow.
I'm just commentating down here. I'm like, oh, balls. Ooh, balls.
All right.
Oh, balls.
Oh! Are your balls okay? I actually somehow came out of that really well. Dang. Those are my Crocs.
He's going to have a good brew.
Dude, just pause it right there and just leave it. Even flow. Fire. They don't know. Let's go. He fell off. God, who built that? Take three. All right, drop it. What are you doing there? That's not for you. told me how to do it, so a caveman.
Metro on that beat.
Remember, summer song as it brought my life back. Hanging in the balance. Have you brought